Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup and skincare 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. I have a huge box right here of skincare, and more particularly Korean skincare that we're going to be trying out in this video today. These are all from Stylevana. Basically, if you don't know what that is, Stylevana is a website that carries a bunch of different skincare brands, makeup brands. K-beauty tends to be formulated more for sensitive skin, and it's really to give you that glowy look without using too many harsh ingredients. So I really enjoy that, and for my dry sensitive skin, my skin always soaks these products right up. And I do a video with Stylevana every single month where we unbox some products. And last month was actually the first time I tried out all the skincare while we talked about it, and I really enjoyed how that video went. So I think that's the exact same thing we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to be trying out all the skincare today on my skin. We're going to be seeing how it goes. Now I do have a code for you guys that is even better than last month. So for the holiday season, you can use the code INF10LR to get 10% off your purchase or 15% off your purchase if you purchase at least these minimum amounts. I'll put them up on the screen just because there are different currencies, but these amounts are all lower than my code previously, so that's super exciting. You guys can save some money there. A bunch of these products are already like super affordable, but you can save even more money, which is really cool. We have so many products to get into today that I need to just get started right away. So if you want to see this unboxing slash trial on my skin regarding a bunch of K-beauty skincare from Stylevana, just keep on watching.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
Alright, so I just zoomed you guys in a little bit so we can actually get into these products. Now, if you don't already know, I have dry, sensitive, acne-prone skin, so I like to look for products that can help with my acne or pigmentation, but also be suitable for my dry and sensitive skin. So let's get started. I'm gonna pull out like all the products first so that I kind of know what to use first, if that makes sense, because we got like some sunscreens in here. Okay, I see a cleanser. We'd probably start with that. Toner, eye cream. Okay. So let's start off with cleanser. This is from the brand Heimish. I actually started using a mask from them that I discovered in last month's video that I am absolutely obsessed with and cannot stop using. So I'm definitely excited to try more from them. Oh my gosh, this bottle is so pretty. So this is the All Clean Green Foam, and this has a pH of 5.5. So let's go ahead and try this. Ooh. It's like a jelly consistency. Yay, it does emulsify. I love that. This feels so smooth on the skin. Alright, so first impressions, really liked this. It didn't dry out my skin like at all, but my skin definitely feels very clean and refreshed, so I'm definitely looking forward to using this more. So next product we have here is the My Soft Grain Scrub. I believe this is from the Power in You. This is a grain scrub that contains organic oatmeal powder and helps clean pores and slough off dead skin cells. I've been experiencing such dry patches on my skin lately, so I'm really excited to see how this makes my skin feel. Look at this right here. How cool does this product look? It says to mix this with the Milky Cleanser. I don't have that, so I'm wondering if I could mix it like with water. I'm just gonna try mixing it with the cleanser we have here, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this powder out. Oh yeah, I think this will work because I created like a scrub. DIY, everyone. Definitely smells like oatmeal. And it's not like too rough like some other scrubs I've tried where you can feel them like scraping at your skin. This one's almost like dissolving a little bit. I'm gonna go to my bathroom, add water to this, and basically cleanse my skin again, and I'll be right back. I am back, and honestly that worked perfectly. So just combine this kind of with any cleanser you have, or if you do have their milky cleanser, but I definitely shouldn't have cleansed my skin twice. I could have just used these together, and that worked perfectly because I got that emulsification from the cleanser and a bit of that scrub feeling from this one. And as I said, I'm not the biggest physical scrub person, but I feel like with the way this is formulated, it's not like scratching at your face, it's not those typical like rough scrub particles, it's a little bit more soft, so I still feel like it exfoliated nicely without irritating my skin. Like my skin's not red or irritated right now, which is really good. And I feel like you can definitely mix this with any cleanser you have that's more of that gel consistency, so really enjoyed that actually. So next we have a brightening jelly mask, and this is from the brand I'm Sorry for My Skin. What am I sorry for? That my skin is glowing and gorgeous? I don't think I'm sorry. So this is their jelly mask, and this is a brightening mask, and I am doing a morning routine right now, so that's perfect. I want my skin to look nice and bright. So let's open this up. Oh, is this like a sheet mask? Yes, but it's like drenched. Oh, this is huge for my face. Ooh, very cooling, and I didn't even put this in a fridge. Gonna kind of massage that jelly in down the neck to really give me that treatment. There's like a bunch of that jelly, so I'm gonna go ahead and just give all my skin this beautiful treatment, because really what's in these sheet masks is like a really nice serum usually that's hydrating, so I don't like to waste that, so I just like to rub it on my arms, my legs, my décolleté. And we're supposed to leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave this on probably for 20 minutes, really give my skin that nice treatment, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so it has been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. And what I like to do with my sheet mask is I like to go over my skin again, because some great ingredients in here is grab a little metal roller and just go over. Oh, this is so nice because I just grabbed it out of my skincare fridge. I like to do this with all these serums and sheet masks. And just go over and kind of rub that serum into the skin. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go rinse this off, and I'll be right back. I am back from rinsing that off. There are still lots of products for us to try. So I do actually have two like toner products, so I think I'm gonna use one on one half of my face and the other one on the other half. First one is from TL. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right, but it's the brand name right there. And this is the AC Fighting PHA 12 Purifying Liquid. It's gonna help with dead skin cell and clarifying the skin. PHA is exfoliant. So I'm gonna go ahead, pour it out. So it is like a liquid toner. And apply it to this side of the skin. Yeah, so it's just applying like a toner. You can definitely apply this with a cotton pad. I just like using my hands instead. Definitely excited about that. It does feel nice on the skin and absorb pretty fast. I would definitely feel like I would like to experiment with this more. I like that it includes a PHA, which is a perfect exfoliant for sensitive skin. So very excited about that. And my skin does feel nice without on, not like nothing too intense, very, very gentle. And then on the other side, we're gonna be using the Centella unscented toner from PURITO. I really like their Centella line. It's essential oil free, alcohol free, no harming ingredients, and it's supposed to soothe and deep hydrate your skin. We have Centella extract, which is amazing for sensitive skin, as well as panthenol in here. It's supposed to calm the skin. I'm just gonna pour some out. Ooh, it has a more viscous feel to it, even though it's a liquid. Yeah, like it's kind of like think of like a toner and a serum together. So it's like liquidy like a toner, but it has a bit of that like feel of a serum. But oh my goodness, if you have dry or sensitive skin and you're looking for a toner, this might be the one for you. I am definitely putting this like top shelf for myself to keep on using. Love that. Moving on, we have some like serum products. So again, I'm gonna do like a half and half thing. So first off, we have this product from COOP, and this is their raw sauce. I don't know what a raw sauce means in skincare, but let's find out. Very pretty packaging. Look at this right here. Very like simplistic, but really nice. Oh, this is so cool. So we have some of the key ingredients and properties that this product has on the back here. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I'll read them out. It says humectant. We have an organic grain extract. It has a natural moisturizing factors in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it out. Yeah, so see how it has more of that viscous consistency to it, but it's still like a liquid. Oh, we do have fragrance in here. Ooh, this smells like a spa experience. Kind of hydrating, so kind of similar to the PURITO one, but this one's a little bit more serumy. Moving right along, we have a product from Blithe Cosmetics. I hope I'm pronouncing that right again, but I will have all the names on the screen like usual. So this is a vital treatment with 8 nourishing beans for vitalizing and lifting. Oh my goodness, do you guys see this product right here? Look how cool that looks. See how like all these products are like nourishment, nourishment, nourishment. I'm like, yes, get on my skin right now. This just looks like my skin is going to love it. Okay, let's pump out a few drops of that. Okay, so it has like these little beads in there that kind of dissolve. I'm gonna apply it on this side. So kind of that toner feeling too, like liquid, but it is an essence, so it's gonna give your skin that nice glow. And those great ingredients in here. I will definitely be trying this out again. That was super cool, and it feels really nice on the skin. Whew, my skin already feels good, and we're like halfway through this routine. Every time I try out Korean skincare, I feel like I'm getting like a literal treatment, so I love it. All right, moving on, let's get some moisturizer on. We're gonna be trying the Keep Cool and Soothe lotion. This is a 51% bamboo lotion, and it's supposed to be moisturizing and calming. Yep. That's what I like to hear. I think we can open it like this. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look how cute this bottle is. Keep Cool and Soothe lotion. Ooh, very milky consistency moisturizer. Definitely more of that lotion. Oh, I feel like my dry skin is gonna love this. And I love that it's not too heavy. I feel like especially for a morning routine, this will just be so nice and light, but still hydrating to the skin. Wow. So usually when I apply moisturizer, my skin gets very red, but I definitely could see how this can be very soothing and kind of cooling too. Like putting this in the fridge or something to have that cooling sensation, I think would be very nice. I know, I'm just like, I love this, I love this, I love this, but seriously, this trial is going great. Let's just keep it moving. So next we have the Saturday Skin Wide Awake Eye Brightening Cream. Okay, this is the cutest bottle I've ever seen. Look at it, it is so cute. Avocado plus date seed. Well, I'm not the biggest eye cream person. I honestly feel like you can take your moisturizer and just put it under your eyes, but my biggest issue with eye creams is that usually they're super overpriced. But if you want to get something that just has a different texture, you can totally do that. I just don't think you need to spend a lot on it. But this right here feels like a very lightweight texture, which is kind of nice, especially if you're a makeup wearer, because then it won't be like really heavy under your makeup. It feels more like that water type gel cream that a lot of people really enjoy. And I feel like you get a good amount here. Like you get 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. So it's not like you're getting this tiny little eye cream container. So something like this I do think is nice if you're looking for that different texture. And I would definitely use this again. I don't think it's like revolutionary, but I would definitely use this again. I think it feels nice under the eyes. We got some sunscreens to try, and if you guys don't already know, I love Korean sunscreens because they have some amazing filters in them that are perfect for sensitive skin and don't leave a white cast. So we have 2 to try out, so we're gonna do a little half and half. First one is from Thank You Farmer, and this is the SPF 50 plus with PA++++, and this is the Safe Fun Liquid, age 0880. So this is a titanium dioxide sunscreen. We also have a niacinamide in here, which I love to see. Oh my goodness, is that just not such a cute bottle? Like, I would love to take this to the beach with me with a little sun hat there too. So it's just a white lotion. I'm gonna apply it to the side of the skin. So this is a titanium dioxide SPF, so we'll see a bit more of that white cast in there, but it's a very light cream texture that isn't like thick to blend out. There's a very subtle like floral scent to it. Look at how glowy that's making my skin look. Love it. Moving on, we have a sunscreen from PURITO, and this is the daily go-to sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 50 plus, PA++++. It's a UVA and UVB protection, and it's weightless and unscented. That is what I like to hear in a sunscreen, because I love my fragrance-free products and I like them to be very lightweight on the skin. So it's just a squeezy tube. Ooh, it has a bit of a yellow tint to it. Go ahead and apply it over here. Oh, it's already blending out really nice. Very lightweight texture. Ooh, I like that. It's also very moisturizing, which is nice for an SPF to be, especially for dry skin, and not really a white cast. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. We tested out some super cool products today that I am so excited about, and definitely will start testing out more of, like, and using them for a longer period of time than just the first impressions, obviously. But I absolutely love Korean skincare. I love testing out every month, and if you also enjoy these Stylevana videos that I do every month, just let me know down below in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you're interested in purchasing at all from Stylevana, you can use my code INF10LR to get 10% off your purchase, or 15% off your purchase if you meet these price requirements, which honestly I would easily be exceeding those price limits with all the cool products I mentioned today. And with that sheet mask, I'm definitely adding it on my list to go buy more of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And if you want to see more of my content, you can go check me out on the Acne channel, where I'm a weekly host. We talk about all things acne as well as skincare. And you can also go follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Lavinia Rosanda for more daily content. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.